y'all, welcome to today's video. So, first off, let me go ahead and say, big news, if y'all missed it, there's a bun in the oven, which I'm still shocked about. Some of y'all may have noticed I haven't been posting as much or as frequently as I normally do. I also look like a train wreck, and I feel like yeah, I have just felt sick as a dog. As far as energy goes, I feel like this pregnancy so far has been, like, I can't even breathe right now talking. I have been so tired. Y'all just don't even understand. So tired. It might have to do with the fact that I've got a 2-year-old and a 10-month-old. So it's been a struggle. If you didn't watch the video about the pregnancy announcement, y'all go check it out. We definitely didn't plan to get pregnant this fast after having our son, who's only 10 months old. Anyways, I always wanted a big family. Looks like it's happening, so on to baby number 3. But yeah, I did not expect that I was gonna be pregnant, and took the test and was shocked, and here we are. So I have felt awful. So I have not been filming as many videos. I have not been posting as many videos because I hadn't had the energy to just like edit them and get them up there or anything. So I apologize to all of y'all because I know y'all are probably like, where are you? Also, don't know what's going on with these hormones, but I have had this like weird bump situation going on under my nose since I found out, basically. And I've tried everything and it just won't go away, y'all. So anyways, I said all that to say, now that the cat's out of the bag, ew, I don't like that phrase. Now that our secret is out, I am able to do this video, which I have been so excited to do. And like, I've been waiting until I could tell everyone so that I could do this video. So I got messaged by a skincare company called Your Skin, and basically they wanted to send me free products to try out and do a review on. So I was like, yeah, sure, why not? Of course. So they sent me this big old box of skincare goodies to try out. So it's all personalized based on your skincare type and your needs of what you want. You go online, you fill out a skincare quiz, and basically you tell them like the issues that you have with your skin now, if your skin's like dry, oily, in between, and then what you want out of your skincare. Like if you want wrinkle prevention or anti-aging, or like you want to get rid of redness or blemishes or acne. Y'all, I can't breathe. Or you tell them, you know, basically just what you want to do for your skin with your skincare. So they even had a question on there about if you were pregnant, which I really loved because I was like, yes, I know that this is going to be safe for me to use right now. And so I know everything, all the ingredients are going to be safe for me to use right now while I'm pregnant. So I love that. So now I'm so excited to open it up and actually see what it looks like, try it out, smell it, all that good stuff, see how it works. So let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, look how adorable. I love this color. It's like a sagey, like light minty, like sagey green color. So cute. And this is the company's name. It's Your Skin. This is a nice little box. It's like magnetic. Look how adorable. Oh my goodness. Can we just get like a cute little close up of how cute this is? So cute. Your personalized skincare made for you. Here is my little card that I got, and on the back it has my instructions on like the steps, when I use it, how I use it. It's got a morning routine and a night routine. Y'all, I'm out of breath. And it says it's a 3-month supply up here at the top. So that's pretty good. Okay, so let's see what we got. Look how cute. Oh, I don't even want to tear it. It's so cute. This packaging is adorable and like fancy. Like, look how adorable this is. This is heavy duty, like nice. Okay, this is the day cream ingredients. That's good that they put like the drug facts and everything. It's got a sunscreen in it, so I guess it's got all that information for you. I forgot to mention, all their products are like paraben free, cruelty free, all the frees. So not tested on animals. They're all made in the USA. So it's a good, like healthy, clean skincare brand, basically. So let's see what we got. Ooh, and everything's numbered. I'm gonna try to turn all this stuff so y'all can kind of see it. But everything has a little number on it. How cute. Okay, so number 1 is the cleanser. Let's smell it. Oh. Okay, so there was like one of those full things on there that you pull up. Then there's like a stopper. Do y'all see this? There's like a stopper right here. That was in the tube. Now I can smell it. Oh, it's blue. Oh yes, it just smells super clean. Like no scent, just fresh, clean. Literally like just like a clean, fresh scent. Like it smells so good. Especially right now, like being pregnant and all these scents I cannot handle. But this is a smell I could smell all day long. Woo! Just squeezed it out everywhere. But y'all, it smells so good. Oh, I love it. That's number 1. Number 2 is the day cream. I literally just got soap like all down me. And side note, y'all, this belly, I don't understand why it's so huge right now because I'm not that far along. Like, I just entered my 3rd month. Like, most people aren't even showing, and I look like a 9-month pregnant woman. But I have always shown super fast and big with my babies. And then with each one, they say, like, you get bigger sooner. So, anyways. Okay, number 2 is the day cream. So this is what it looks like. It's got sunscreen in it, SPF 30. It's a little pump. I can't really smell it. Let's take this off. It has almost no scent, but like maybe slight bit of that clean scent from the cleanser. Number 3 is our serum. Look how cute this packaging is, y'all. So serum, glass little packaging with the little squeezy dropper. How cute. Ooh, and it's like a good thick one. Okay, this doesn't really have a scent to me at all. Number 4 is the night cream. So that's the last step. It's got a little stopper thing on it. Oh, okay. And again, 0 scent. Let's read our steps and see what we do first. I'll clip my hair back so I can really go to work on this face that is breaking out and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. Okay, I'm gonna do the morning routine because it's morning. Okay, so we'll do the morning routine and then tonight I'll come back and we'll do the night routine. So morning routine is only 2 steps, cleanse and then day cream. And then the night routine, you'll cleanse, serum, and night cream. Okay, so I got a washcloth and I'm just wiping my face down and wetting it real good with some warm water. Okay, so it says a dime size amount. Ooh, stuff is coming out. Okay, so dime size. I'm gonna go with that. And it's kind of like a clear blue color. You might not be able to see it now, but the smell is amazing. Okay, hopefully it can help me with this issues I got going on with my skin right now. It's so funny to me, like I hadn't tanned, hadn't done my nails, my skin is falling apart, my whole body is expanding. It's literally like your entire body just looks so different when you're pregnant. Haven't got my hair done, my roots are growing out, craziness. Okay, so scrubbed in circular motions with my hands like it said. So now I'm gonna rinse with some warm water. Face has been rinsed off. I'm gonna kind of dry it a little bit. It feels so good to wash your face. Normally I'm not one to really spend a bunch of time. This hair right here is driving me crazy. Normally I'm not one to spend a bunch of time washing my face. Usually I just use a makeup wipe and then like maybe 2 or 3 times a week, maybe 1 or 2, let's be honest. I'll do my full like skincare routine, but it feels so good when you actually wash your face. Like, My face feels very smooth and just fresh and clean and soft. Feels so good. And the smell of that is like, it smells good when you first put it on, but then it's like gone. Like, it's not, what is this, makeup or dark spots? Oh, I'm telling y'all, my face. Lost my train of thought. All right, so our second and last step is the day cream with sunscreen. And it said also a dime size amount. I'm guessing maybe like 2 or 3 pumps is a dime size. Whoa, it's kind of thick. Like, that's a lot. Ew, it smells really good. I didn't smell it when I tried to smell it in the pump, but y'all, it smells really fresh and almost like oranges or something. Maybe like a citrusy, I don't know. It just smells good. That seems to be absorbing really fast into my skin. At first I was like, okay, this is gonna be like actual sunscreen on my face, but now it's like hardly even sticky. It's like gone instantly. So I like that. And my face just feels super, my face feels so good. Love this. And the smell's pretty much gone now too. So, fresh, clean face, ready for the day. Probably won't do makeup because lately I hadn't been doing anything but brushing my teeth, throwing up, brushing my teeth again, and then getting dressed. Okay, I will come back tonight and show y'all the night routine and we'll see how my face looks. Okay, so it is like 10 o'clock at night, 10:30ish. So my face still feels actually really moisturized and really good. I really like the way that it made my skin feel all throughout the day. I didn't do makeup or anything, so literally that's all I've had on my face today, and it still feels really just soft and moisturized. My bump is still here. I mean, obviously it's not gonna go away in one use, but it just looks awful, so ignore that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our night routine. So step 1 is the same thing we did this morning with the cleanser. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I got a wet face. We're gonna do a dime size amount of our cleanser. Get that bump to go away. All right, so the face is nice and cleansed again and smooth, soft, feels really good. So then step 2, wet, oh, not wet. When your face is still damp, whoops, face is not damp because I just dried it. Apply 3 to 4 drops of serum on your face. So I guess I'll just dampen my face with my washcloth again, since it says to have a damp face. That's odd, I've never put serum on my damp face. Like, I always dry my face and then do my serum, but 2 to 3 drops. Here's our little serum. I don't know if you need to shake it, but I'm gonna shake it, just make sure everything is together. 1, ooh, those are thick drops. 2, it's like syrup. Ooh, okay. Not really smelling anything. I feel like that's a lot. It's a very thick serum, but it feels really good on the face. Okay, like I said, really no smell at all, like 0 scent, but it feels really good. Yeah, it's already starting to absorb, like my face isn't, it's not really sticky up here at all anymore. Okay, step 3 and our last step is apply a dime size of night cream all over your face. So this is our night cream, this little jar. Okay, so a dime size. And again, this really has no scent. I'm just gonna go with like a little scoop off the lid. Go ahead and apply our night cream. Again, it's super thick and like rich feeling. And when you first put it on, it's feeling like way too thick. But I know with the day cream, it felt like that. And then it just like sucked into my skin super fast. Really hoping that this helps this hormonal pregnancy skin I got going on right now. These eyebrows, y'all. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, so that's already like in my face now. In my face. It's already like absorbed into my skin, pretty much. My skin just feels super moisturized and just fresh and bouncy. Okay. All right, so that is it for our nighttime skin routine. First impression, I love it. I'll keep y'all updated on using this for maybe like a week or so and let y'all know like long term how I like it, if I have noticed a difference in my skin or anything like that. But first impression overall, just 1 day's use, like I already love the way my skin feels. Hey y'all, so I wanted to update y'all real quick. I look a little crazy, I just woke up, but I've been using the skincare system for about a week now, or maybe a little over a week, and I just wanted to update y'all on what I thought after using it for like about a week. So I can definitely tell my skin looks better. Over here where I had like some bumps coming up and like stubborn, couldn't get rid of them, I think it's due to hormones from the pregnancy, honestly, because I never get bumps and stuff like this big. But I will say they look like they're starting to go down, if that makes sense. They're not gone yet, but to be honest, I don't know if they are gonna go away this whole pregnancy, but they look like they're going down, so that's good. Also, I had like, I don't even see it anymore. Down here, I think, right there. I can't even feel it. I had a bump, a big bump under my skin right here coming up, and it was really painful. Everything's on this side of my face. I don't know why. But anyways, that is gone. Like, it was starting to come up when I started using this skincare system, and literally, like y'all, it's gone. Like, also my dry patch over here, you can't even see it right now. Barely. Like, I can barely make it out right here. So, I feel like overall this stuff has really, sorry, I had like some makeup in my corner of my eye. But like I said, overall, I feel like this has really helped my face a lot. I love the way my skin feels. It's super soft, super moisturized, but not like greasy or anything. Like, it just feels really good. And it has definitely helped with the bump situations. I would definitely recommend it. Not to mention, I think my favorite part of this whole thing is that, y'all, I look like a mess. I just woke up. My favorite part of this whole thing, I think, is that it is so quick and easy to use. I hate using stuff that takes forever. Like, I don't have time for a big long routine, but I love the fact that it's literally like 2 steps in the morning, 3 steps at night, and it's so quick and easy. It might take me 3 minutes to do, not even that probably. So I have been doing it because it's just so easy. So definitely would recommend. Also, I want to point out they gave me a referral link. So if you use the link that I'm going to drop down below in the description, you'll get $15 off your first kit. So you get to go online, fill out your skincare quiz, tell them everything you want in your skincare, what you want it to do, and you'll get $15 off your first kit. So make sure you use that link below so you'll get your $15 off. I'm going to throw a before and after up so y'all can kind of compare how my skin has changed. Also, I want to say thank you to Your Skin for sending me this box and let me test out your products. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And like always, please subscribe if you want to see more and click that notification bell. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.